Are you feeling off lately? Maybe it's constant fatigue, mood swings, or that nagging sense that something's just not right. What if the real issue isn't just stress or lack of sleep, but your hormones? Keeping your hormones balanced is key to overall health, yet it's often overlooked. In today's video, we're diving into 5 amazing herbs that can naturally restore hormonal balance. Whether it's energy crashes, irregular cycles, or just wanting to feel like yourself again, these herbs could be the solution you've been searching for. And trust me, number 5 is a total game changer, so don't miss it. Before we jump in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more life-changing health tips. Let's explore how nature's remedies can help you take control of your hormones without synthetic treatments or hefty costs. 1. Ashwagandha, the stress buster. First on the list is ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogen herb that's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Adaptogens help your body adapt to stress, and stress is one of the biggest disruptors of hormonal balance. Ashwagandha works by regulating cortisol levels, which is your body's main stress hormone. High cortisol levels can wreak havoc on your thyroid and reproductive hormones, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and even weight gain. But that's not all. Research shows that ashwagandha may help balance sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen. It's also a fantastic herb for improving sleep quality, which is critical for hormonal repair and regulation. How to use it? You can take ashwagandha in powder, capsule, or tincture form. A common dose is 300 to 600 mg per day, but consult a healthcare professional to find the right amount for you. 2. Maca Root, the energy enhancer. Next up is Maca Root, a Peruvian powerhouse often referred to as nature's Viagra. Maca is a root vegetable packed with nutrients that nourish your endocrine system, which regulates hormone production. Studies have shown that maca may improve symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and mood swings, by balancing estrogen levels. It's also famous for enhancing libido, fertility, and energy levels. If you've been feeling sluggish or noticing a dip in your drive, whether that's your energy levels or otherwise, maca might be your best friend. How to use it? Maca is most commonly available in powder form. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie, coffee, or oatmeal. Start with small amounts and work your way up to avoid digestive discomfort. 3. Vitex Chasteberry, the menstrual regulator. If irregular periods or PMS symptoms are driving you crazy, Vitex, also known as chasteberry, could be the herb for you. Vitex works by stimulating the pituitary gland, which helps regulate the production of progesterone. Progesterone is a key hormone for women, especially during the second half of the menstrual cycle. A lack of it can lead to symptoms like mood swings, bloating, and even fertility issues. By helping your body produce more progesterone, Vitex can bring relief to women dealing with everything from PMS to menopause. How to use it? Vitex is most commonly taken as a tincture or capsule. It's important to be consistent with it, as it can take a few weeks to notice significant effects. 4. Holy basil, Tulsi, the hormonal harmonizer. Holy basil, or Tulsi, is another adaptogen herb with remarkable benefits for hormonal health. Known as the Queen of Herbs in Ayurveda, Tulsi is revered for its ability to lower stress levels, regulate cortisol, and reduce inflammation. One of its unique benefits is its ability to balance blood sugar levels, which is essential for hormonal harmony. High blood sugar can trigger insulin resistance, which in turn can disrupt sex hormones and even lead to conditions like PCOS. Tulsi also has calming properties that can help with anxiety and mood swings, common symptoms of hormonal imbalances. How to use it? You can brew Tulsi tea by steeping fresh or dried leaves in hot water. Drink it once or twice a day for best results. 5. Rhodiola Rosea, the energy and mood booster. Last but certainly not least is Rhodiola Rosea, an adaptogen herb that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems in Europe and Asia. Rhodiola is well known for boosting energy, improving mental focus, and reducing fatigue, all signs of a hormonal imbalance. Rhodiola is particularly beneficial for balancing cortisol levels, much like ashwagandha. But what sets it apart is its ability to combat the mental and emotional effects of stress, such as anxiety and depression. If your mood has been all over the place, Rhodiola might be the herb that helps you find your balance again. How to use it? Rhodiola is typically taken in capsule or tincture form. The recommended dose is around 200 to 600 mg per day. But again, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. To personalize your dosage. Now, here's something to think about. While these herbs are amazing natural tools for balancing hormones, they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every body is unique, and what works wonders for one person might not work as well for another. What do you think? Should herbs be the first line of defense when it comes to hormonal health, or do you believe traditional medicine has a stronger role to play? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. If you've made it this far, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who might be struggling with hormonal imbalances. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing health tips. Together, let's uncover the natural remedies that mainstream medicine often overlooks. So, there you have it. 5 incredible herbs that can help you balance your hormones naturally. Ashwagandha, Maca Root, Vitex, holy basil, and Rhodiola Rosea. Each of these herbs has unique properties that support your body's natural processes, and incorporating them into your routine could be the key to feeling like your best self again. Remember, balance takes time, so be patient and consistent with these natural remedies. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your regimen.